Well, the exhaust pipe is rotten after the muffler.
Well, all we would have to do is just change the mounts on it.
Yeah?
Cut this one off and just cut these ones off and match them. And
So,
that's no problem because I got my MIG welder all ready to go.
oh, good.
Do you want to do that instead?
Yeah. What? Yeah.
Well, we're going to take it off anyways right now.
He found a muffler, so he's cutting the old one off, and we're gonna... That's from a Toyota, but this is a Nissan. Just sawing the pipe off.
So, come in here.
That should be enough. Oh, it's got a hole in it too on the top.
Oh,
Couldn't see that before.
well, there's your problem.
Yeah, that's the second problem. The other one was the pipe was rusted through.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a good plan. Putting the other muffler on for sure. Hangers.
These hangers.
Yeah.
And measure them onto here so they fit properly.
And he's got a welder in the shop.
Yeah.
You'd use the angle grinder to cut them off?
Yeah, I'll cut those off with the angle grinder. I'll get that right now. I'll do it outside so it's...
Yeah. And there's remnants of the exhaust that I wrapped around just to get by with the clamps. It's a good thing we took the muffler off. That's pretty rotten.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we got the brackets cut off. Now we just have the old one here and we'll match it to here and we'll weld it. Muffler brackets now. And I just happen to be looking in the camera. I'm not looking directly at the welder. There we go. Well, the brackets are in the same place now on the new muffler. Well, we're at the local parts store. We've got a tailpipe, got cut clamps, and the elbow that's rusted, and an adapter. Now to go pay. Probably the most expensive thing are the clamps. Clamps are like $5 each. And this pipe is 10 and 10. Okay, good. The original pipe was that much shorter than than the one you just bought at the parts store. See, we shortened up the pipe a bit and welded it here. Okay, don't swear right now.
What?
Good, eh?
Fingers hanging.
Okay, there.
Everything's looking pretty here.
You're not going to do any talking? Okay, that should be enough.
I saw you on let you do commentary.
Yeah, I'll do. Sounds good now. Getting a little bit colder out here. You can see the frost. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down there, and you should see if it's leaking, because you'll see a trail if it's leaking or not. Just explain what you're doing.
I'm cutting the pipe off. I'm cutting the other pipe off.
Can you see it rotten in there?
It's very rotten.
Okay, good.
Get the camera tried out.
What are you talking about? He's not even on the camera. It's pointed the other way.